Healthy food doesn't have to be boring, and these Paneer Ragi Tacos are the perfect example. Today we are making the recipe of Paneer Ragi Tacos, the perfect balance of taste and nutrition. We will start the process by adding 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of ghee in a saucepan. Once the tiny bubbles appear in the water, we will add 1 cup of Pansari Ragi Flour. Now mix it roughly with the help of the spatula. Switch off the flame, cover the lid and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, remove the lid and take it out in a bowl. Let it cool slightly so that we can easily make the dough. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and knead it for 4 to 5 minutes or until you get the smooth dough. Once the dough is ready, cover it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take a small amount of dough and roll it as shown. Sprinkle some ragi flour on it and spread it slightly with hands. Now make the chapati using the rolling pin. Sprinkle some extra flour if needed. You can use the chapati as it is, or if you want, you can cut it using a bowl for even edges. Once the chapatis are prepared, heat the pan and cook these from both the sides. Press it slightly with the cloth so that it cooks evenly. Take a small amount of ghee and apply on the chapati. It will keep the chapatis soft for longer duration. So we have prepared the chapatis for tacos. Now we will prepare the filling. To make filling in bowl, add half a cup of curd. Now it's time to add the spices. For spices, I am adding Shasha Spices. These spices helps enhancing the flavor and aroma of the recipe. For spices, I am using half a teaspoon of coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, Garam Masala powder, amchur powder, Chaat Masala powder, Kasuri Methi, salt to taste and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now mix all these spices to make a smooth paste. Take 250 grams of paneer and cut it into small cubes. Now add these paneer cubes in this mixture and coat it well. After mixing, keep it aside for 10 minutes. In pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and add the coated paneer cubes. Cook this mixture on a low flame for 3 to 4 minutes or until the moisture absorbs completely. So now the ragi roti is ready and also paneer filling. It's time to assemble our tacos. To assemble the tacos, take the ragi roti, add generous amount of paneer filling on it. Top it with some grated cheese for some extra protein and calcium. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and fold it as shown. Now for the final process, add 1 teaspoon of ghee in the pan. Place these tacos and cook these from both sides for few minutes or until cheese melts slightly. And these paneer ragi tacos are ready to serve. These are so filling, so you can enjoy it as your lunch or even as your dinner. Do give this recipe a try and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.